The fashion world is abuzz with a groundbreaking announcement. Antonin Tron is stepping into the spotlight as Balmain's new creative visionary. But this transition isn't without its dramatic twists and turns. Balmain, the iconic French fashion house, has chosen Tron to lead its creative direction, marking a significant shift after Olivier Rousteing's departure. Rousteing, a trailblazer as the first black creative director at a major European fashion house, left his mark on Balmain with a 14-year tenure. His military chic style and social media prowess cultivated a devoted following, including A-listers like Kim Kardashian West, Gigi Hadid, and Kendall Jenner, collectively known as the Balmain Army. Enter Antonin Tron, a rising star in the industry. His label Atlein, based in the fashion capital of Paris, has garnered acclaim. Now, Tron is tasked with steering Balmain's creative vision, a challenge he embraces with reverence for the brand's legacy. Antonin Tron's design philosophy, centered on the art of draping and the fabric's tactile nature, aligns seamlessly with Pierre Balmain's vision of dressmaking as the architecture of movement, said Balmain CEO Matteo Scarbassa. Tron's appreciation for fashion as a spatial art form echoes Balmain's ethos, promising a harmonious evolution of the brand's heritage. Yet, Tron faces a daunting task. Rousteing's impact on Balmain is undeniable, and his shoes are not easy to fill. But here's where it gets controversial. Is Tron's appointment a bold step towards a new era, or a risky move that could alienate Balmain's loyal fans? Tron, a graduate of the prestigious Royal Academy of Fine Arts in Antwerp, brings a wealth of experience from his stints at Louis Vuitton, Givenchy, Balenciaga, and most recently Saint Laurent. His journey from these esteemed houses to the helm of Balmain is a testament to his talent and potential. As Tron prepares to unveil his debut collection for Balmain in Paris next March, the fashion industry eagerly awaits the unveiling of his creative vision. Will he revolutionize Balmain's aesthetic, or pay homage to its rich history? The anticipation is palpable, and the stakes are high. What do you think about this intriguing appointment? Is it a refreshing change or a risky gamble? Share your thoughts in the comments below.